स्टुडेन्ट्स आजको भिडियोमा चाहिँ हामी प्रोसेस सेड्युलिङको बारेमा चाहिँ डिस्कस गर्नेछौँ। प्रोसेस सेड्युलिङसँग रिलेटेड एमसिक्यू र आजको भिडियोमा रहेर हामी डिस्कस गर्नेछौँ। अब लागौँ भिडियोतर्फ। फर्स्ट क्वेसन रहेको छ, अ प्रोसेस इज डिफाइन्ड एज अ प्रोग्राम स्टोर्ड अन डिस्क, अ प्रोग्राम करेन्टली अन्डर एक्जिक्युसन, अ सेट अफ इन्स्ट्रक्सन ओन्ली, अ कम्पाइल कोड। यसमध्येको राइट एन्सर कुन चाहिँ रहेको छ स्टुडेन्टहरूले भन्न सक्छौ?
A program currently under execution.
Questions very सजिलो थियो. A program currently under execution is right answer. And question number 2, which of the following is best describe a program, dynamical entity, instance of execution, and collection of instruction, thread of executions? Program है ख्याल गरेर आन्सर दिनु.
Collection of instruction.
Collection of instruction is right answer. And question number 3 रहेको छ, a process is a instance of program, static, permanent, dynamic and virtual.
Dynamic.
इसको राइट आन्सर रहेको छ डायनामिक. एन्ड क्वेसन नम्बर 4, which of the following is process attribute, process id, process state, CPU scheduling information, compiler version?
Compiler version.
Okay, compiler version is right answer. एन्ड यिनी जति पनि छन् यिनी सबै कुराहरु चाहिँ हाम्रो के हुन्छ भन्दा प्रोसेसको एट्रिब्युट हुनु भने कम्पाइलर भर्जन चाहिँ हाम्रो प्रोसेसको एट्रिब्युट हैन है त. अनि अर्को चाहिँ के छ भने क्वेसन नम्बर 5 छ, which process state indicates waiting for CPU allocation, new, ready, running, terminated?
Ready.
Yes, ready is right answer. And question number 6, when a process is executing instructions, it is which state? Execute हुँदै गर्दा चाहिँ कुन स्टेटमा हुन्छ हाम्रो प्रोसेस? Running state is right answer. A process waiting for IO device in which state? अब वेटिङ फर आइओ डिभाइसलाई चाहिँ वेट गरिरहेको हुन्छ जो कुन चाहिँ स्टेटमा हुन्छ? रेडी स्टेट, न्यू स्टेट, वेटिङ स्टेट एन्ड टर्मिनेटेड स्टेट.
Obviously waiting state.
Waiting state is right answer. And question number 8, which data structure stores all information about the process? प्रोसेस को जति पनि इन्फर्मेसन छ त्यो सबै स्टोर चाहिँ कहाँनिर हुन्छ? पेज टेबल, स्ट्याक, पीसीबी, रेडी क्यू.
Process control.
Okay, process control block or PCB is right answer. And question number 9, PCB is identified by thread ID, memory address, process ID, queue number.
Process ID.
Yes, process ID is right answer. And question number 10. ल question number 10 को आन्सर चाहिँ कसरी छिटो भन्न सक्छ? Which PCB field stores the address of next instruction? Next instruction स्टोर कसले गर्छ है त? CPU register, pointer, program counter, program counter is right answer. यो चाहिँ के छ भने बिर्सियाले सबैभन्दा छिटो भनेको छैन है त. अब अर्को चाहिँ क्वेशन छ, क्वेशन नम्बर 11, which PCB information keep track of IO devices? Accounting information, IO status information, CPU register, process privilege.
IO
status information is right answer. And question number 12, process scheduling is mainly required in single user operating system, batch operating system, multi-programming operating system, embedded operating system, multi-programming operating system.
Multi-programming
operating system is right answer. Process scheduling भनेको कहाँनिर मल्टिपल प्रोग्राम हुँदाखेरि बल्ल चाहिने हो नि त हैन र? त्यो चाहिँ त्यो भएर चाहिँ हामीलाई के छ भने मल्टी प्रोग्रामिङ अपरेटिङ सिस्टममा प्रोसेस शेड्युलिङ चाहिन्छ भन्न खोजेको है. अर्को क्वेशन नम्बर 13 रहेको छ, which queue contain all process in system? रेडी क्यू, डिभाइस क्यू, जब क्यू, वेटिङ क्यू. अब कुन चाहिँ क्यू चाहिँ हरेक प्रोसेसको हुन्छ ल? जब क्यू इज राइट आन्सर. एन्ड रेडी क्यू कन्टेन्स प्रोसेस दैट आर executing, terminated, waiting for IO devices, ready to execute, ready. Which answer is right answer? Ready to execute is right answer. And question number 15, which scheduler select processes from secondary memory? कुन चाहिँ शेड्युलरले सेकेन्डरी मेमोरीबाट प्रोसेस लिन्छ? यो हाम्रो लास्ट क्लासमा डिस्कस गरेको थियौ. कुन चाहिँ शेड्युलरले लिन्छ? सर्ट टर्म शेड्युलर, मिडियम टर्म शेड्युलर, लङ टर्म शेड्युलर एन्ड डिस्प्याचर. Okay, long term scheduler is right answer. And question number 16, the scheduler that runs most frequently is long term scheduler, medium term scheduler, short term scheduler, job scheduler. Short term scheduler चाहिँ frequently run हुन्छ हैन. अनि question number 17 रहेको छ, medium term scheduler mainly performs process execution, swapping, scheduling, termination. Swapping is right answer. And question number 18, which scheduling allow interruption of processes? Not preemptive, cooperative, preemptive and batch. Interruption means no preemption. Primitive, yes, primitive is right answer. Okay, question number 19. Round robin scheduling algorithm is example of non-preemptive scheduling, preemptive scheduling, batch scheduling, priority only scheduling. Which answer is right answer? Okay, yes, primitive scheduling is right answer. And question number 20, short job first. SJF is primitive scheduling, non-primitive scheduling, round robin scheduling, and real-time scheduling.
Non-primitive.
Yes, it is not non-primitive scheduling. Starvation in primitive scheduling occurs due to large burst time, IO operations, priority intersections, and deadlock.
Priority.
Okay, सबैले फरक फरक एन्सर आएको छ यसको यसको चाहिँ राइट एन्सर रहेको छ प्रायोरिटी इन्सर्सन. Okay, question number 22. A thread is independent program, heavyweight program, small unit of execution, collection of processes.
Smallest unit of execution.
Yes, smallest thread means smallest unit of execution or piece of program or piece of active program. Okay, and question number 23. Threads share which of the flying stack, program counter, code and data segment, register.
Code and data segment.
Code and data segment is right answer. And question number 24. Thread is also called heavyweight process, kernel process, lightweight process, batch process.
Lightweight.
Okay, lightweight process. Thread is always lightweight process or part of a process. Question number 25. Which is not a thread state? Ready, running, dead, process, new process.
Dead.
Which is not thread state? Thread को state कुन चाहिँ हैन है?
New process.
New process, yes, right answer. And 26 question number. Which state represents completion of thread execution? Sleep, block, dead, ready.
Dead.
Dead is right answer. And question number 27. Which is advantage of threads? Increase overhead, slower execution, reduce context switching time, independent memory. Tell me the answer. Reduce context switching time is right answer. Question number 28. A thread in operating system refers to system update, hardware failure only, potential harmful event, process deadlock.
Potential harmful
Potential harmful event is right answer. Thread means potential harmful event. Okay. And question number 29. First stage in thread life cycle is exploitation, identification, propagation, contentment.
Identification.
Identification. सबैभन्दा पहिले थ्रेडलाई हटाउनु छ भने हामीले के गर्नु पर्यो? आइडेन्टिफिकेसन